Most people get this wrong and assume every gift card marketplace is either fully safe or completely fake. The biggest mistake you need to avoid is trusting a platform just because it has big discounts or fast payouts. That's exactly where confusion and losses happen. Here's the truth no one tells you. CardCash in 2026 is a real platform, but whether it feels legit or risky depends on how you use it and what you expect from it. It is not a scam, but it is also not a perfect instant cash system. In this video, you'll learn how CardCash works, what you can realistically expect when selling or buying gift cards, and the hidden details most users miss. And stick around, because in a minute, I'll show you the mistake Alex made that caused his payout delay, even though his card was valid. Let's start with the basics. CardCash is a marketplace where people buy and sell unwanted gift cards. Sellers submit their card details, and CardCash checks the balance before approving it. Once approved, they offer a cash amount, usually lower than face value. That difference is how they make money. Now here's where it gets interesting. If you are buying gift cards, you can often get discounts ranging from 5 to 20%. That's why many users use it for saving money on Amazon, restaurants, and retail stores. But if you are selling, you should expect lower payouts compared to face value. But here's the problem. Many users think approval and payment are instant. That is not always true. CardCash verifies every card manually or through automated checks, and that can take time. John once submitted a card and assumed something was wrong when it took a few days to process, but it was just under review. Now let's talk about safety. CardCash is considered legitimate because it has been operating for years and processes real transactions. However, like any resale platform, timing, verification, and customer support speed can vary depending on demand and card type. Here's a common mistake. Alex once tried to sell a partially used gift card without checking the exact remaining balance. The system flagged it, and the payout got delayed. Once he rechecked and corrected the balance info, the transaction went through smoothly. If you are buying, always check the discount rate and ensure the card is for a brand you actually need. If you are selling, make sure your card has a verifiable balance and avoid guessing values. Also, don't expect top market value when selling. CardCash offers convenience and safety, not maximum resale price. That trade-off is important to understand before using it. So is CardCash legit or a scam? It is legit, but it works within a marketplace model where prices are discounted and verification takes time. Understanding that difference is key. To wrap it up, remember this. CardCash is real, discounts are genuine, and delays can happen due to verification, not fraud. If you know how it works, it can be a useful tool. If this helped you, hit like, leave a comment, and subscribe for more honest app reviews and gift card guides.